everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Shawmut Communications Group in Danvers, Mass. And this piece is a piece they produced for Car Gurus, and this was designed by Maria Del Rose of Car Gurus. And actually, the team at Shawmut worked with them very closely to find the right format for this project, and this is where they landed. And this is so cool. So this is actually a swinger fold format, and so it's got a die cut and it swings. It's got a little short accordion here, you'll see in a second. But what is so clever about this idea is that it's using the negative space created by kind of this shape that gets cut out. So I love this because this is Car Gurus, so it's car themed. This was actually a holiday card, by the way, but I thought the concept could be applied to so many different things. So as you can see here, if you fold this, here's the die cut that comes out of this. It's almost like a two-panel format to start here, but then there's a score and a die cut and some kind of interesting shapes going on, not really identifiable on its own. But then when you fold this half a panel back, the negative space created by this unique shape creates a car with a bow on top. And so this idea that you can use both positive and negative space, usually with a swinger fold it tends to be a circle or a square or some sort of a basic shape. And I love that they took this unique shape and used the negative space to complete it. And then also some very nice placement of graphics. I love how the car window, the windshield has the logo, and then when you open it, it's got, some kind of creatively hidden bits of copy. So that part is really, really clever, just very well designed, and I like its simplicity. This is the back, this is the front. This is on about 100-pound pearlized sheet. These were die score hand fold. These were printed offset on an 8-color Komori HUV press, and they did about 30,000 of these. So they also did a really nice custom envelope that they converted and put a nice label on as well. And this is a Nina Linen red pepper. So just so smart. So think about that negative space as an opportunity. I thought you'd like that. So that's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Swinger fold card with creative die line. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.